Human history is filled with mysteries. From the moment humans began building cities and watching the stars, they also began creating technologies, some so advanced, so precise, and so unexpected, that even today we struggle to understand how they were made. Many of these inventions vanished after their civilizations fell, leaving behind only fragments, ruins, and questions. What if the ancient world was far more innovative than we ever imagined? What if entire systems of knowledge were lost, buried under sand, stone, and time? In this video, we travel deep into the past to uncover 3 extraordinary lost technologies, each one revealing a world of intelligence and creativity that challenges our modern assumptions. Welcome to Echoes of Mystery, where we uncover hidden facts and secrets from around the world. If you love exploring the unknown, don't forget to subscribe and join the adventure. The Antikythera Mechanism, the ancient Greek computer. In the year 1901, sponge divers searching the waters near the Greek island of Antikythera stumbled upon a wrecked Roman cargo ship. Among the statues, coins, and pottery was something no one expected, a lump of corroded bronze fused with wood. At first, it looked like nothing more than scrap metal. But as it was carefully examined, archaeologists realized they were looking at a machine unlike anything known from the ancient world. Over time, the device revealed its secrets, at least 30 interlocking bronze gears, arranged with mathematical precision. Teeth carved so finely that even modern watchmakers were astonished. This object became known as the Antikythera Mechanism, and most experts now agree. It was the world's first analog computer, built more than 2,000 years ago. Advanced imaging shows that the mechanism could predict the positions of the sun and moon, the movement of known planets, the metonic cycle, lunar phases, solar and lunar eclipses, the timing of major athletic festivals tied to astronomical events. Think about that. A device from ancient Greece, built before the birth of many modern ideas, could track cosmic movements with a level of accuracy that would not reappear in Europe for more than a millennium. Some scientists believe the machine was inspired by the work of Hipparchus, the father of trigonometry. Others speculate that it may have been created by a workshop of unknown engineers whose knowledge vanished with time. Its precision raises haunting questions. How many other machines existed? Were there more advanced models? Did an entire line of Greek mechanical engineering disappear in shipwrecks, fires, and wars? Every fragment of the Antikythera mechanism forces us to rethink our assumptions. It shows that ancient knowledge was not primitive. It was brilliant, fragile, and deeply connected to the universe. The Baghdad Battery, ancient experiment with electricity. In the 1930s, archaeologists discovered a set of clay jars near Baghdad that would spark debate for decades. Inside each jar was a copper cylinder and an iron rod. When filled with acidic liquid, like vinegar or lemon juice, the jars produced electricity. Not powerful, not dangerous, but undeniably real. This mysterious device became known as the Baghdad Battery. For nearly a century, historians have debated its purpose. Was it an early tool for electroplating jewelry? Ancient gold-plated artifacts have been found in the region, and the battery may have powered the chemical process. Was it used for medical or ritual purposes? Some believe the mild electrical tingling was used in healing rituals or religious ceremonies. Or was it a scientific curiosity? Could ancient scholars have experimented with electricity long before Benjamin Franklin and Nikola Tesla? Some argue the device may have been used by priests to all worshippers, creating small shocks or sparks in rituals. Others say it may have been a teaching tool, a demonstration of a mysterious natural force. And yet another question remains. If the ancient world had knowledge of electricity, even in a primitive form, what else might they have discovered? Did they understand static electricity? Did they notice the effects of charged materials on metals? Did they experiment further, only for the knowledge to vanish with time? We may never know. No written records explain the Baghdad Battery. No workshop has ever been found. No tools or journals describe its construction. It is a symbol of the ancient world's curiosity, a sign that people long ago were not just farmers and warriors, but thinkers, inventors, and experimenters. The battery may be a small artifact, but its implications are enormous. It suggests that the ancient world explored ideas we assumed were modern, and that even the simplest discovery can be lost for thousands of years. Roman concrete, the building material that refused to die. Across Europe and the Mediterranean, Roman structures built more than 2,000 years ago still stand tall. Massive temples, long-spanning aqueducts, and entire harbors survived despite earthquakes, erosion, storms, and the passing of centuries. Their secret lies in a remarkable material, Roman concrete. Across the empire, Roman engineers carefully selected volcanic ash from specific regions, especially from the Bay of Naples, where Mount Vesuvius had once erupted with unimaginable force. They believed the ash itself held special properties, and they transported it across long distances, sometimes hundreds of kilometers, just to use it in construction. This wasn't random building. This was a calculated science. One of the greatest examples of their mastery is the Pantheon in Rome. Its massive dome, still the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world, has stood for nearly 2,000 years. Modern engineers are still unsure how such a perfect structure was poured and shaped without collapsing during construction. Another marvel lies beneath the waves, ancient Roman harbors. Many of these structures were built underwater, using a technique where the concrete hardened in contact with seawater. Instead of weakening, it became stronger as minerals formed new crystals inside the mixture. Some of these harbor walls are so tough that even modern diamond drills struggle to cut through them. Unlike modern concrete, which often cracks and fails within decades, Roman concrete actually becomes stronger over time. Its formula was simple but revolutionary, a mixture of volcanic ash, lime, seawater, and stones. This mixture caused the concrete to grow microscopic crystals that healed cracks and reinforced the structure from within. When Rome collapsed, the recipe collapsed with it. For nearly 1,500 years, humanity forgot how to make this extraordinary material. Engineers and scientists today study ancient harbor walls in Italy and Greece, amazed that they remain solid while modern seawalls crumble in a fraction of the time. Roman concrete proves that ancient civilizations were not just building monuments, they were mastering materials science. It reminds us how easily knowledge disappears. An empire falls, documents decay, knowledge fades, and suddenly humanity must relearn what it once knew. Imagine if we still possessed the full Roman formula today. Our buildings might last centuries instead of decades. Our coastal cities might resist storms and rising seas far better than they do now. This lost technology forces us to wonder what else vanished with the fall of ancient empires. Knowledge that could still benefit humanity now. The Antikythera Mechanism, Roman concrete, and the Baghdad Battery are more than archaeological discoveries. They are messages from our ancestors, telling us that the past was far more advanced than we often believe. They challenge the myth that progress is simple or constant. They show that knowledge can rise to incredible heights, then vanish for centuries. And they remind us that history is still incomplete. Beneath the earth, beneath the oceans, and beneath the ruins of forgotten civilizations, countless secrets remain buried, waiting to be rediscovered. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the ancient world, one truth becomes clear. Human ingenuity is timeless, and the greatest discoveries may still be waiting to be found. That's the mysterious tale for today. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden secrets, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Your support helps the channel grow and unlock even more mysteries. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay curious.